What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a Ford Bronco. It's like a 2023 or 4. It's a newer one. And we're going to be doing a 7-inch rough country lift with the coilovers, some 26 by 14. Looks like hardcore wheels I think we're doing on it, and some 37, 14, 50, 26 Fury MTs. Very excited for this. This is a fellow YouTuber out of, I think, Memphis, Tennessee. So stay tuned for the process and let me know what you think of his Bronco. Well, for everybody on my channel that always comments, all you do is GMCs and Chevrolets, and you need to get more Fords on the channel, more Rams, more Toyotas. Well, today's the day for that. We have a 2022 Ford Bronco Wild Track Edition ready to go. It's a very bright yellow color. It has a color match lift kit and some 26-inch wheels on it. The customer is out of Memphis, Tennessee. His YouTube name is SRT-fied, so certified, I guess is what it is, _official. He says his channel's got a lot of, Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, SRT things on it. Today, though, he is in a Bronco, and I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys everything about it. So this thing is massive. I don't know if it looks big on camera, but in person, this thing is huge. Those are 37, 14, 50, 26 tires, Fury MTs. I always recommend the Fury tires on the big wheel sizes like 26s, 28s, and 30s. This is the hardcore off-road. I believe this is the HC 103, but I may be wrong on that. It's a new design they had last year. It looks amazing in the black and milled finish like that. The lift kit we did is the 7-inch rough country, and this is powder coated to match the color of the paint on the truck. Your angles on your axles and everything are great. He went ahead and did the upgraded tie rods that Rough Country supplies for these. They're an extra add-on actually that you buy with the lift kit, but they're really nice. He bought also the upgraded coilover kit that you can buy. They have 3 different versions of this kit. They have the spacer kit, which puts a big spacer on your strut, or they have a M1R strut kit, which I like a lot, or they have this coilover kit. Coilover kit looks better. It's a little bit stiffer of a ride. It's really designed for like heavy off-roading, like, you know, in the desert or in the mud or something like that. But the coilover does better for like landing and stuff like that if you're jumping hills. So it's not really something you have to have on the street for an everyday driver, but it does look cool and it works. So if you guys like this Bronco, or you have a Bronco and you want to price some things on it, you know, we do work on more than just trucks. We work on everything. I don't work on motorcycles or anything like that, but, you know, side-by-sides, trucks, SUVs, whatever you got, we work on it. So I really like the way it turned out. If you guys have any questions or anything, just call me or text me. I'm going to try to throw a price in at the end of this video so you can see what this would cost for you. Have any more questions, just reach out. Thank you.